In today's video, I am going to walk you through the process of how to create a journal entry. Oftentimes, I get clients asking me about how they use their personal card to pay for business expenses. Now, if you do use your personal card to pay for business expenses, I highly recommend that you do not connect your personal account to your business accounting system. Let's keep it simple and keep them separated. In order to record your business expenses in QuickBooks Online, what you want to do is go over to the menu here and click New, click Journal Entry. It's easier to find if you put the date at the end of the month. So let's say that you utilize your personal card to pay for business expenses for the whole month of May. I typically select a journal date at the end of the month to summarize all the business expenses paid. Now, let's say you went to Staples, you purchased paper, pens, those are office supplies. So you have to think about the category. What I recommend that you do is utilize Google Sheets or Excel and put the date, the description, and the amount, and then put them into categories and total it by the categories. Then from the Excel, you want to put the totals from the categories into the journal entry. So let's say office expenses, meals, supplies. The total would go into the debit column. This increases your expenses. And these are contributions that you're making towards your business. Doesn't look like I have an account for owner's contribution. So I would have to create that. And there you have it. This is how you can record the business expenses paid from your personal accounts. Thank you for watching. The bell. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with the latest bookkeeping and tax tips.